to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you how to earn passive income in the form of basically interest by staking your cryptocurrencies with crypto.com. So let's get to it. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is download the app for crypto.com to your phone, and they offer both Apple and Android apps, so you're covered regardless of what type of phone you have. And there'll be a link down below for you to follow, and when you use that link down below, you will actually get an additional $50 for free in your account after you download the app using the link down below. And what's also very valuable about the app is you can buy cryptocurrencies at a true cost, which basically means no fees, no markups. You will actually be able to purchase Bitcoin with, say, your debit card and pay no fees whatsoever on that transaction. So if Bitcoin's at 11.8, you will pay 11.8 for that Bitcoin. That certainly beats the hell out of like Coinbase, where they will definitely hit you with a nice fee when you try to purchase Bitcoin or ETH or any of those with your debit card. So this feature alone of no fees when you go to buy your cryptocurrency, in my opinion, is worth downloading the app. But with that being said, what actually interests me more is a possibility to earn interest simply by staking cryptocurrency that I already hold and have no intention of unloading. And so if we jump over to the earn side of the crypto.com platform, you can see you can earn up to 8% on your crypto or up to 12% on stable coins. And this is basically simple interest paid weekly in your crypto. So if you're staking Bitcoin, the interest is paid in Bitcoin. And so what I have done is I have stepped up and I am actually staking over 10,000. I think it's like 14,000. When we look at my phone here in a moment, you will see that I'm staking over 10,000 of the Crow, which is crypto.com's coin. And I therefore earn up to 8% on all their supported coins if I go for 3 months, which so far the ones I've staked, BAT, Engine, and I'm going to show you how to stake ADA, I will be earning 8% on. What is also really cool is on those 14,000 or so Crow, I'm actually earning 18%. And that's, show me a bank, walk into a bank and ask them to open a money market account or a CD or what have you at 18% and see what their response is. I have a pretty good idea what that response is going to be. And we can take a look at some of the tokens that you can actually earn interest on. Obviously Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, XRP, Binance, the Crow token. BAT I am currently staking along with Engine. These are two currencies I've actually held for probably a couple years, as I do believe in both of these platforms. And today I'll actually be showing you Cardano. Now keep in mind, this list is just a few of the tokens they offer, and I will be showing you how to stake the Cardano ADA tokens that I currently hold in the crypto.com wallet. So with that all being said, we'll jump to the phone here in a moment, but I do want to just briefly touch on another benefit. Is they actually will issue you a card when you open the app and start staking. And the cards, I actually have the Jade card, the green one, coming because I staked over 10,000. You'll earn cash back on all your purchases, and in this case I'll be earning 3% back. And I do have Spotify, so I'll set up the payments to take care of that, and I will get 100% back of that payment. And I have Netflix, and I'll also get that rewarded back as well. So another great feature is this Visa card that they issue to you once you start staking, and you can actually get their blue card for free without having to stake. And you'll earn 1%. You just don't get any of the benefits that come with the staking feature. So again, another way to earn passive income simply by staking some Crow on the crypto.com app. So let's jump over to my phone and show you how it actually works. All right, so I've opened the app on my phone, and we'll come over here to accounts, and see what I'm holding in the wallet and on Crypto Earn. So if we jump over to the wallet, it actually shows you my staking of the Crow token right here as well. If I click on that, I can scroll down and you'll see that I have almost 14,000 Crow staked and earning 16% interest on that Crow stake. And then in addition to that, I also earned an early swap bonus, and that was originally they had you stake in their MCO token, and they wanted to switch everything over to the Crow token. And to encourage those of us who had MCO staked, they rewarded us based on how much MCO we had staked. And because of the amount of MCO stake I had, I actually got an additional 2,800 Crow, which is around $475. And so right then and there, I received essentially a $500 bonus already from just using this app. Now, that's not going to apply to new users, unfortunately, but if you use that link down below, you can at least get a $50 bonus. So let's go ahead and jump back. And you can see I hold some Bitcoin in here, and the Cardano I also hold. We'll be staking here in a moment. BAT is currently staked, as well as the engine. And if we jump over to the Crypto Earn portion, you can see that I have engine earning 6% on the 2,500 tokens. And then you can see BAT, I'm also earning 6% on my 1,500 BAT that I'm holding over here. And if you look down, you'll see I'm getting paid out weekly on the interest. So let's go ahead and jump back. And from the Crypto Earn section, in order to stake that Cardano, I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus. And then there's the ADA or Cardano. And I'm going to go ahead, again, this is a token I plan on holding for a long time. So I'm going to choose the 3-month term and continue. They want you to click that you understand all these terms. And so we'll click through those and continue. And so if I click on the amount I want to stake, I can come down to max. It fills in pretty much everything I hold. And now I click deposit, and they want to confirm that's what I want to stake for the 3-month period of time. I'll earn 4.5% interest on it, which beats the 0% I was earning in the wallet I was holding it in. And so we'll go ahead and confirm. And I'll have to put my password in, which I'm not going to show you, but I'll do that here quickly. And just like that, we have deposited the 2,000 plus ADA, and I'll just click on the screen anywhere. And you can see I'm now earning 4.5% on the ADA. So now I have ADA, engine at 6%, the Crow at 18%, and also BAT at 6%. And if I click on this crypto.com icon, you can see the different wallets. Your fiat wallet, which I don't have anything in there, the Earn, you can jump to track, and you can see some of the tokens I'm tracking the price on. And if we jump back over to my wallet, I can actually buy crypto from the wallet by clicking on buy. And this is where I can buy at no fees. And I'll scroll down through, and let's add some USD coin. And we'll add $100 worth of USD coin. And as you can see, I already have my debit card preloaded. So we'll just click on buy USD, confirm it. Then I'll have to put my passcode in. And like that, I've purchased the 100 USDC. And if we jump over to the accounts, we'll now see the USDC is in my crypto wallet. Just like that, that easy. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. This video is really to show you how you can earn passive income by basically downloading an app from crypto.com and staking coins. Real simple, very intuitive. Again, link down below. And I'll be doing some update videos regarding staking and on the different platforms. So be sure to subscribe. And if you like the video, spike that like. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to do that down below in the comment section. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.